Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a loop teaching every single new person on the team how to deploy their code? It's like Groundhog Day, but instead of a quirky groundhog, it's just another pull request that needs a manual walkthrough. You explain the environment variables, the CI/CD pipeline quirks, the secret handshake to get past the firewall. And then 2 weeks later, you're doing it all over again with someone else. This isn't just tiring. It's a massive drain on your most valuable resource, your time and expertise. What if there was a way to break this cycle? What if you could take all that repetitive, soul-crushing work and, well, productize it? That's the core idea behind a concept we call platformization. It's about taking the things you do over and over and turning them into a polished, self-service product for your internal teams. It sounds a bit corporate, I know, but stick with me. This is about reclaiming your sanity and empowering your entire organization. Let's think about this with a simple metaphor. Imagine your company is a massive logistics operation. You have goods, which are your applications and services, and you need to ship them to customers, which are your users. In the old days, every time someone wanted to ship a package, they had to come find you, the logistics expert. You'd have to figure out the best truck, the fastest route, how to pack it so it doesn't break, and handle all the customs paperwork. You're the bottleneck, the single point of failure. Now, what if you build a standardized shipping system? A platform. This system has a simple, easy-to-use website. Anyone who wants to ship something just goes to the site, fills out a form, what's in the box, where it's going, and hits send. They don't need to know about truck maintenance, driver schedules, or optimal warehouse sorting algorithms. They just know their package will get there safely and on time. That's the self-service aspect. The system provides predefined shipping options or templates. Need it there overnight? Click the Express button. Standard delivery? Click Standard. These are like your pre-configured deployment templates for different types of applications: a static website, a backend service, a data pipeline. Each one has a proven, reliable path to production. So what is platformization in this analogy? It's the process of you, the expert, taking all your years of experience, all that hard-won knowledge about the best way to ship things, and embedding it directly into the system. You're turning your expertise into buttons and forms that anyone can use. The real magic here, the core insight, is about making the implicit explicit. Every senior engineer or DevOps expert has a ton of knowledge that's just in their head. It's implicit. You know which cloud services are cost-effective, which configurations are secure, and which deployment strategies are the most resilient. This knowledge is incredibly valuable, but as long as it stays in your head, it's a bottleneck. People have to come to you to access it. Platformization is the process of extracting that implicit knowledge and making it explicit, tangible, and accessible to everyone. We're talking about taking your mental models and turning them into golden path templates, automated guardrails, and observable dashboards. The goal is to create a system where business and development teams can self-serve most of their operational needs. Need a new database? There's a button for that, which provisions a pre-configured, monitored, and backed-up database instance according to best practices. Need to roll back a deployment? There's a button for that, which executes a safe, tested rollback procedure. This frees you from the day-to-day firefighting and allows you to focus on what you do best, evolving the platform itself and solving the next big engineering challenge. It transforms the role of a DevOps or platform engineer from a gatekeeper to an enabler, a creator of force multipliers. Now, building a platform is a serious undertaking. It's not just about scripting a few things together. You're building an internal product. And like any product, it needs a product manager, a roadmap. And you need to listen to your customers, in this case, your fellow developers. You have to understand their pain points. What's the most confusing part of the current deployment process? Where do they waste the most time? You can't just build the platform you think they need. You have to build the platform they'll actually use and love. Start small. Find the most painful, most repetitive task and build a simple, elegant solution for it. Maybe it's setting up a new development environment. Create a single command or a web UI that spins up a complete, consistent environment in minutes. Once you deliver that initial bit of value and people see how much easier their lives have become, you'll gain their trust. This creates a powerful feedback loop. They'll start coming to you with ideas, not just problems. They'll become your champions, your advocates. And that's how you build momentum. You're not just an infrastructure team anymore. You're the team that builds the superhighway that the entire company drives on. You're building the paved road that lets everyone else move faster. Once you have this internal platform in place, something really interesting starts to happen. You've created what we can call an internal market. Think about it. Your platform exposes its capabilities through well-defined interfaces, typically APIs. A team needs a new microservice? They don't call you. They call the Create Service API on the platform. Need access to a specific data source? They request it through the Data Access API. Suddenly, these APIs are no longer just technical endpoints. They start to look and feel like products. Each API has a function, a service level agreement, documentation, and a set of customers, the other teams that consume it. This is a profound shift in mindset. You're no longer just managing infrastructure. You're managing a portfolio of internal products. This is where the real leverage comes in. When one team builds a useful service, like an authentication or a payment processing service, they can expose it as a product on your internal market. Other teams can then discover and consume that service instead of reinventing the wheel themselves. This fosters a culture of reuse, collaboration, and innovation. It breaks down silos and creates a composable enterprise where new applications can be assembled quickly from existing, battle-tested components. Your platform becomes the central marketplace, the app store for your entire company's technical capabilities. It's a powerful concept that can fundamentally change how your organization builds and delivers software. So let's recap the journey. We started with the fatigue of repetitive manual tasks, the Groundhog Day of deployments. We saw how platformization offers a way out by productizing that work. Using the logistics metaphor, we understood the platform as a self-service shipping system, with templates as predefined routes, turning expert knowledge into simple buttons. The core idea is making the implicit knowledge of your best engineers explicit and available to everyone, enabling them to self-serve their needs safely and efficiently. This isn't just about automation, it's about empowerment. It's about building a product for your internal developers, treating them as first-class customers. And when you succeed, you create more than just a platform. You create an internal market, a dynamic ecosystem where APIs become products and teams can build on each other's work, accelerating innovation across the entire company. It transforms the role of operations from a bottleneck to a powerful enabler. It's a big vision, but it starts with solving one small, painful problem at a time. So what's that one repetitive task you're tired of doing? Maybe that's where your platform journey begins. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on building better engineering systems. See you in the next one.